This is our 45-45-90 triangle. Let this side be A units. This side will also be A units as sides opposite equal angles are always equal. The hypotenuse will equal root 2 A units. Remember, the A is not inside the root. It's root 2 multiplied by A. Now we're ready to find the values of all 6 functions. We use the SOHCAHTOA approach to find sine, cos and tan values. And the other 3 can be found by using the value of these 3 functions. Let's start with SO, which means sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. This time, since we are finding the function values for 45 degrees, any one of these 2 angles can be our reference angle. It won't matter because we will get the same result for both. As we are used to the reference angle being here, let's take this 45 degrees angle as our reference angle. Let's find sine 45 degrees first. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is A units and hypotenuse is root 2 A units. So it will equal A by root 2A. A cancels out and we get 1 by root 2. So sine 45 equals 1 by root 2. We know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Cosec 45 degrees will equal reciprocal of this, which is root 2. We have found the values of sine 45 and cosec 45. Now let's move on to CA. CA tells us cos equals adjacent by hypotenuse. With this formula, let's try finding cos 45 degrees. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is A and hypotenuse is root 2A. So this will equal A by root 2A. A cancels out and we get cos 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. What's the reciprocal of cos 45 degrees? Yes, it's sec 45 degrees. Reciprocal of this equals root 2. So in addition to the 12 function values we derived previously, we derived 4 more with relative ease. With TOA, we can easily derive 2 more. TOA tells us that tan is opposite by adjacent. For this angle, opposite as well as adjacent is A units. Tan 45 degrees equals A by A, which equals 1. As the inverse of tan 45 degrees is cot 45 degrees, cot 45 degrees will equal inverse of 1, which is also 1. So we derived 18 values, 12 previously and 6 in this one. All this just with the help of the ratios of sides of 2 triangles, the 30-60-90 and the 45-45-90 triangle. There are just 2 more special angles we need to look at. One is 0 degrees and the other is 90 degrees. We see that in the next part of the video.